How's it going, rednecks? I'm not quite sure what I'm going to say about the build here behind me. I'm going to let the title do the talking. It is a 97 Ford Ranger that we are going to apparently put an engine in the back of. We're not quite sure how it's going to turn out, so I'm not going to give away too much, but we're just going to start today by ripping what's in the front out, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, we hopefully have everything undone other than the fuel lines, and we'll get those once the motor's up and out of the way, and it gives us a little better access to them. So yeah, I'm going to set you guys up on the tripod and we will get a good shot of us hopefully pulling this motor out with ease. Well, there we go, guys. We got the motor out, but unfortunately the camera cut out for some reason, and I don't know why, but we got it out. So now we got to get the truck pushed out and clean up the mess we made. Alright, rednecks, it's the next day, and we are going to go get the key ingredient to our build here. It's going to involve this right here, so yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. Well guys, we got the car started. We were going to go up to the house, inflate the tires, and I was going to do a video, but that's as far as we made it. So it's turned into a vehicle recovery at this point. And it looks like the Turtle's going to be the hero. So let's get that thing hooked up to the car. And hopefully we'll make it up to the house. Yeehaw! Alright guys, here we go. This is the donor car here at the Peon's grandparents' house where we are building the Ranger. And it is a Pontiac Bonneville, an 05 with a Series 2 3800. So our next step is to get this motor, cradle, suspension, and everything out of this. And then all of that is going to be going somewhere in that Ranger. So you guys are just going to have to wait and see. Alright guys, it's the moment of truth. We have all the cradle bolts out. All that's remaining is the steering and exhaust. And the steering should just slip out of a little slide yoke inside the column. And the exhaust will cut once the cradle's down. We have some more room, so yeah, here we go. Well guys, there's just something about this camera that it doesn't like us pulling engines, because once again it quit recording when we were pulling this motor. But as you can see, we have the cradle, suspension, engine and transmission out from the Bonneville. Alright guys, we have the Ranger backed into the barn right now, and our first objective is to get the back of this bed cleaned out, so let's time lapse that. Well, there we go guys, we have the bed off the truck. We got both engines sitting over there, and the next step is to get this thing at the Peon shop. We're gonna cut the frame and mount that motor. So I will see you guys next week. Hold on. There you go. Did you like that? Say, thank you, Scott. Thank you, Brittany. Oh, good boy. Get back to work. You tell them. Yeah, get back to work.